Do you know one of the best method of preserving your fresh tomatoes is by freezing them? Yes, so just put your fresh tomatoes and your pepper in your freezer. In this video, I'll be showing you the best method to prepare your frozen tomatoes. I know some of you think that frozen tomatoes become so watery if you want to prepare it. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, drop your amazing comment, and always come back for more. So let's get started. So let's make stew with that frozen tomatoes. This is the best way of cooking with your frozen fresh tomatoes. A lot of people think frozen tomatoes will make your stew watery, but that's only if you do it the wrong way. So immediately you take it out of your freezer, you wash them. You first blend the tomatoes while they are still frozen. Make sure your blender is strong, because trust me, this tomato is very strong. So you blend them, or you use a mortar if needed. Very important, do not let your tomatoes thaw before cooking, because once they defrost, they release too much water. So that's why you have to start blending, or you pound it. If you're making use of the mortar, immediately you take it off the freezer. Do not keep it to defrost. So if you ask me, I would always recommend this preservative method, to put your tomatoes in the freezer, to preserve it by putting it in the freezer and preparing it this way. Hello everyone, if you're just coming across my videos for the first time, please do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, drop your amazing comments, and always come back for more. Your support, your subscription, your comment, your like helps me grow my page. And if there is any other video you'd want us to recreate for you, please drop it in the comment section. So immediately after blending, you put it straight on the heat, like you take it straight to the fire to start cooking, just as you can see, while it's still frozen. So as it cooks, the excess water evaporates and your sauce thickens perfectly. So one thing to note is that whenever you're cooking with a frozen tomatoes, you don't really need to go through the process of parboiling to dry off the water or to sieve out the water. Trust me, with this process, there's no water you would want to dry off. Like no water. Just keep watching, you will see how it comes out. So at this point, it's already dried. So at this point, trust me, I was done cooking. So what you need to do now is just to transfer straight to your protein. So I transferred it straight to my chicken stock. So another way to prepare this, if you don't want to fry, you can just add the tomato straight to your chicken stock like this, or your meat stock, whatever means, it's still going to be perfect. And just like that, you have made a great, rich, flavorful stew, even with that frozen tomatoes. Don't forget to share the video, follow me for more, drop a comment, and always come back. Thanks for watching, guys.